Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah, yeah.
Boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, another thing said, bless. Hoping you're having a wonderful day today. But you know my style already, one bag of one. I gotta give it these daily updates from the people wanna see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. So you don't want to miss that thing. With that being said, people, let's just kick it off with the bagga with Foota Hype, because it seems like there's no love lost between him and Spice. He similar said, for whatever reasons, I don't know if he's mad that Spice, never, hired him as, her personal selector, to go on tour, with her, while he was in America and all this stuff. I don't know why he's harboring feelings, but we know said there's no love lost because he is disrespecting her. Why? Me never hear nobody talk to Spice like this before. You know what I mean? But anyways, he's saying that, she's basically bad mind Lady Saw, and, the promoter should, boycott her. You know what I mean? If she doesn't want to perform on these stage shows because of Lady Saw, X, Y, and Z. You know what I mean? And him said that she have strength for Shenseea and all of these people, but she don't have strength for RT Boss or Lady Saw. So let's take a listen.
But yeah, as me say, me a talk, and some people are gonna vex, and some people are gonna alright with it. People, more asking a question. Oh, all me I watch Spice I done the place, and I war everybody and I trace everybody. But what two people Spice can't answer all now in her life? She can't answer RT Boss none at all. No matter what him say, she can't open her mouth. She run every time RT Boss attack her. And everywhere Lady Saw the Spice run. I walk one. Spice. Oh, you say you're the queen. And when the farmer queen appear, you run. Me don't understand this. Spice, you go like you're big and bad and your chest higher. You're ready for anybody. Lady Saw Davis said she come back in a dance already and you're running now. Eh? You're booked for the show and look how it's wicked. You cancel and the people them not cancel Lady Saw. How you feel? I mean, a business where you want to set Spice, that show a level of bad mind. That show a level of dirty art. That show a level of corruption. You can't see yourself after a show because Lady Saw upon the show. And say you're a bad girl. And you're a bad artist. And you are the queen of stage. And you are the this and you are the that. Move your blood clot. Go ahead. The real queen come here and run. Because you know, say, if you ever go up there and open your mouth and drop a word where woman like, mama turn back same time. Move your blow your blood clot. Why? You know Saga rub you. You make sure you run and hide. Because you know, somebody go tell Spice say, Lady Saw a plan for Russia over a show. Rascal. Spice take care of yourself. Are you in Vegas? Everybody just take care of yourself. Move to the redeem and take care of yourself. Yeah. That's why I tell you that talk is cheap, Talk is cheap. Spice have a big chatty mouth. Big chatty mouth. Big chatty mouth. Can you know something never believe? A Jamaica man message me from and said, Foota, Spice I got rub out Spice over grooving in the park, And me say, oh. And the man I say, yeah man, Lady Saw, and that gonna be the comeback, And then she come finish it off at some fest. Rascal. Come like Spice here through the grapevine. Spice says she now about the show. Yo, remember say Spice not like run back money, Spice not like give back money. And when you hear she come out And say she not do bother do the show. I remember she put in a disclaimer say it's not the promoter fault. The promoter a good promoter and do everything when to do. So you know say I catch her afraid. But if I Shensia or Jada or Maka, she not run. For she hear say Sir coming back. She take away herself like she hear news. One lady, sir. One queen. Boop, 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 boop. Stand by, queen. Go sit down. Remember, I hate spice in the people, but she do batty man show me. I have to beat her. I have to beat her bad. Authorize, stop your nice, but queen never afraid. The queen I run at you, they stand up. You stay there, better run too. But queen never afraid. Tell her I go over there now. Tell her I go over grooving in the park. Tell her I go over grooving in the park now. Tell her I go over grooving in the park. And that if you tell her if you do. Make mama rub her out.
The only thing we know is Lady Sar is back, and it's gonna be an interesting year in dancehall because whole heap of words are true. As you know, Spice Trap Jealousy track. I didn't get to listen to it. But I was typing it in on, on Google, and the only thing that was coming up was Tupac and Spice, One Jealous Song. But nevertheless, Lady Sar just landed in New York. As you can see, she is ready to get her hair done because she is going to be on Groove in the Park. She says some people have to come out our way. Anyway, people may not go along with that no longer. Put in the comment section what you think about that. No. Condolences to everybody that passed away on the submarine and the immigrants as well. You see me I say, and I want to talk about the media coverage on both of this because it's gonna be shocking what I say. But nevertheless, RT Boss did predict this thing in the past, and he's proven why he's the on-point boss and who's never wrong. You see me I say, I want spiritual king to the thing, you see me? You know what I mean? And all of his prophecies have been coming to light of lately. So let's take a listen to, his previous predictions. And let's proceed.
I'm at the screenshot. Alright, hold on. Give me a minute. Let me look on to the date. Sunday, April 30. Sunday, April 9. 7:30. I'm doing my live and I'm hearing a voice and the spirit say, submarine go off. Submarine go off. Russia. Submarine. Canada, America get ready. Submarine. So it's like none of them, nobody never prepare. It is like something wrong with the submarine. And it have to investigate to see. But it's going to blow attention. Attention, a maximum world war in the air. But some people going to say, let's investigate. Let's investigate to see what's wrong with the submarine. So it's going to be a high tension with the submarine. Breaking news. Me say, you know why? The first thing why me even talk about it, me see the man when him on CNN, Wolf, breaking news, and a Wolf face message, that man there. And talking about Wolf some retiring from Wolf from me everybody business now. That's fact. CNN man there. Alright, back to my show now. Send me that video there. So that I first want me to save the way from the ear. Because when the camera, when we get the things, and me no record it, and when I record it, because when I record it, and both me and I remember then, and I say, yeah, you did talk it for true, I'm tired of that. But when me talk it, when I say, yeah, boss, play back the voice, go back for the video, and then we can have a video because that also needed in element time when people are chat bad about way. Alright, we could go back on the prosperity energy.
Now, I see a lot of people complaining on the coverage, by, the big media outlets and you know, they help with the Navy and all of these search and rescue people and things for the 5 rich missing men. You know, that paid $250K to go see some, you know, remnants of the Titanic that, you know, sunk 100 years ago. You see me? I say, I don't know why people is mad, because these people are part of the 1%. You know what I mean? When you know about the 1%, you know, say the media, the big medias are families. They all have cousins, aunties, nephews, nieces, uncles, grandfathers, mother, you name it, them related. So, you know, things that them are going to put coverage pan for them people. Then. You know what I mean? You know, things that them are going to use assets and money to search and find them. You feel me? And I mean, people get it together, man. You feel what I'm saying? And you got to blame yourself, too, because one is not in tune to other news, except for the brainwash one. But me not got long with that, not long. I just want to let you know what I'm going from that to go on, you see me? And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.